Hello, JJ. Good morning. Bacon. Good morning. Can you hear me? Can you hear me? Yes or no?
Yes.
Okay. Okay, thank you for waiting, students. Sorry, we had to start our class a little bit late because your friends just came here in the computer room. Okay. So today we will still study about game lab. Okay, so let me just assist your friends here. For those who are studying online, please sign in to code.org. Okay, I will just assist some of your friends here. Sign in yet? Okay, so students, last Monday was a holiday, right? So we did not study anything. So today we will continue. Okay, so last time, what did we study? What lesson? Anyone? Lesson 3. Okay, so today, students, we will continue. We will study lesson 4. Okay, so when you sign in to code.org, students, once you sign in, you don't need to go anywhere. You just find it here, self-paced introduction to Game Lab, okay? Because when you did this one last time, then you have this one for sure. Okay, so I would like you to click view course, yes. Okay, I told you last time to remember your account, your email and password for code.org, because we will use that one every time we have our class. Any problems here for those who are studying here in the school? Did you sign in already? Omsin? Why? It is your initiative to remember your passwords and accounts. Okay, so now students, we will go to lesson 4, random numbers. So last time we studied Scratch, right? Do you remember the pick random in Scratch? Yes or no? Do you remember pick random in Scratch? Yes or no? The green block, pick random, like for example, 1 to 10, something like that. Do you remember that block? What does it do? Okay, so it randomly picks a number. Okay, so here students in on code.org, we have that one also. So we have the block called random number, and it can be used to create new behaviors in our programs. Okay, so for example, the range is 1 to 100. So if you use a pick random or random block for that, then the program will select a random number from 1 to 100. Okay, within the range only. Okay, so it depends on what range you set for your random. The program will choose a number from that range that you have assigned. Okay, so let's start now, everybody. Please click number 1 or level 1 of this lesson, I mean. Okay, so I would like you to run and see what happens. Okay, so when you run, reset, run. Okay, so what you can see, the circle moves, right? Why does it move? Why is it moving? Yes, because here there is a random number. Okay, by the way, students, when we use this block, students, here ellipse, we have this one is the X position, we have the Y position, and then the width and the height. So as what you can see, the X position here is being randomized from 1 or from 0 to 400. So the ball here or the circle will just move left to right. Okay? So that's why the circle here is just moving from left to right. Okay? Same value of Y because it is not randomized. Okay? So this is an example of random, students. Okay? Understand? Okay, now click finish because we will now start studying what random really is. Okay? Okay, so here, students, here's the same sun from last time. Okay, so here, right now, only the X coordinate is random, but you can make the Y coordinate random too. Okay, so as what you can see here, every time you run the program, the circle just moves either left or right. Okay, it's not upwards or downwards because the thing that being randomized here is the X position only. Okay, so now we will randomize the Y coordinate too so that the circle will move from upwards or downwards also. So how are you going to do that? Anyone? How are you going to do that? Sheena, I think you cannot use that computer. You cannot use it. There is a sound right now. Okay, so who can answer for this one? Are you sure? Take note, but you can make the Y coordinate random too. So that means we can randomize the position of the Y. So how are we going to randomize? Because right now we randomize the X only. Anyone? What are you going to do? What block are you going to use here to randomize the Y? Take note, students, that this one is X, this one is Y, this one is width and height. So right now our Y is 200. So we need to randomize this one. How are we going to do that? Yes, we need to add the random number block, and you can find it here. Just click math and then, oh, my internet connection is unstable. Okay, and then after that, all you need to do is to take this one out and then move it here because this is Y. Okay, so like X, we will randomize it from 0 to 400. Why 0 to 400? Why is it 0 to 400? Anyone? Because? Okay, because the value from here to here is up to 400. So 0 to 400. What is that like that? What is that? Okay, so 0 to 400, the same with x. From here, 0 to 400, from left to right. Okay? And then now try to run your program. Every time you run your program, the circle will move anywhere. Random x and y positions. Okay, see the difference? As what you can see now, the program will choose a random number here for x from 0 to 100 to 400, and the same with y also. Okay, so for example, the program chose 337 for x and 150 for y, something like that. Random. Okay, online, do you understand? Online? Are you okay there?
Yes.
Okay, please answer also if you know the answer. I would really appreciate that. It's not easy for me to teach online and on-site at the same time. So please, if you can answer, please answer. Yes? What problem? Sorry, online. I have to assist some of your friends here. Yes, Akira, why did you get your phone? For? Students, I think you don't need your phone to sign into code.org, but I just ask you to bring them here just in case you need it. Right? Some of your friends who were here were able to log in or sign in without using any codes. Online, please wait because we have some problems here. Your friends did not create an account yet, so I have to help them, okay? Please wait, please wait. Thank you. Okay, now let's continue. Okay, so this is how you do this one, students. Just put a random number here as well as random number here. Okay, for X and Y. Now, please click on finish because we will now go to stage 3. Okay, so right now, students, when you run the program, it is like this. Okay, so variables can be assigned a random number too. So this lets you save a single random value so that you can use it as many times as you want in your program. Okay, so here we will assign a random number to the variable I size. So as what you can see here, there is a variable I size. And what is the value right now? Okay, it's 27. The value of a variable, we can also make it randomized. Okay? So how did you do that one, Chiwik? Okay, just add a random number here and then the range will be up to you. But I think 1 is very small. So let's start with 10. And then I think 40 or 50. I think 100 is too big also. Okay, so as what you can see, when I run the first time, it looks like this. So I run the next time and then it is bigger now, right? So it shows a number from 10 to 40. So the eye size, the size of the eye will be randomized, okay, from 10 to 40. Okay, this one. Okay, so every time you run, the size of the eyes will be different, right? Can you see that? Yeah, sometimes it's big, sometimes it's small. Online, did you do this one also?
Yes.
Okay, thank you, Kaot. You're always answering. Thank you. Okay, so I think this lesson is very easy, right? Okay, now click on finish. Let's go to the next one. Okay, so here, students, we have 2 flowers. Okay, so these 2 flowers use a single variable to store their petal size, but the value stored in the variable changes in the middle of the program. Okay, so run the program several times to see how it works and change the program. Students, you are noisy. Okay, so we will change the program so that the flowers have random petal size as in the image. Okay, so how are we going to do this one? As what you can see here, the petal size is 30 and then here 60. So how are we going to do this one? So that it will have different petal size when we run the program. Anyone from online? How are we going to do this? Yes,
Put
Kawan.
the random number in a size of crystal.
Okay, very good, Kaot. So we will have, or we should have, a random number here. Instead of 30, we need to change this one to the random number block. And then maybe we can start from, oops, where is it? Sorry. Okay, we can start from 30. Uy, what happened? Sorry, students. Okay, maybe we can start from 30 to, what do you think? 70? 60? Okay, 60. Okay, how about here? What else should you change here? Take note that we have 2 flowers, so therefore there are 2 petal sizes. So what else should you change here? Where? Okay, so on the second petal size variable here, you need to add a random number also. Okay, random number. Oops. Okay, random number. So same, maybe 30 to 60. But again, students, the range will be up to you. Okay, 30 to 60, 20 to 40, something like that. It depends on you. Okay, and now when we run the program, as what you can see, there are different petal sizes every time, right? Can you see that? It's changing every time. Okay, so here you need to add this one. And then this one here also. For this one, you need to change 2. Finish. Online, are you done?
Yes.
Okay, thank you. I will check your friends if they are done also. Okay, please wait. If you are done, please click finish so that we can proceed to the next level, which is level 5. Okay, so here, students, for level 5, we will just do letter B. Okay, everybody choose letter B. Letter B, we will not do letter A. You can do letter A later if you still have time. Okay, but this one, I think letter B is easier here. Okay, so letter B, debug, what was that? Debug random shape. Okay, so as what you can see when you run the program, it is like this. So how can we align, like this one, align all the rectangles here? Any idea? How can we align the rectangles? Because when we run the program, they are not aligned. They should be aligned every time, but they will change position. Okay, please analyze the situation here. I will give +10 to those students who can answer. Anyone? Oh, what is it? You need to align all the rectangles because here they are not aligned. They are changing positions, but they are aligned. They should have the same position every time. Are you sure?
Make x to equal.
Huh?
Make the x
Plus?
to the same number.
Make x to the same number. What did you say? Plus? No, that's not the correct answer. Sorry. Kauot, your answer is also not correct. The X position will change every time, but they should go together. So for example, if the X position of the pink rectangle here is like, for example, 100, then the X position of the purple and red rectangle should also be 100. So how are you going to do this one? Anyone? Yes, anyone wants to try to answer again? I appreciate those students who try to answer. They will get points. Anyone? Take note that we have variable X position here. What did you do? Oh, you are done. So what did you do? Can you tell us? You will change this one to random number? Yes, exactly. Very good, Chiwik. You need to remove these. And then you need to change it to X position so that they will have the same X position. Very good. Why? Because we have a variable here named X position. Okay, so whatever value here will be the value here, here, and here. Okay, so change the remove the two random number blocks and then change it to X position. Okay, so as what you can see, they are together now. Yes, you can copy and paste, Control C, Control V. Do you get it now? Do you get the logic? Okay. The X position should have the same value for the three of them. Okay? Now, click on finish. This is your activity for today. Okay, your activity for today, stage 6 or level 6 students, I would like you to do like this one. So you will add, okay, you will add 3 more colored circles. The color will be up to you. Okay, you can choose any color that you want. And then use random number to make the rest of the snake's body move up and down like the first 3. Okay? So I would like you to add 3 more circles. Any color will do. But the 3 circles that you will add should have different colors. Okay? Online, do you understand my instruction? This is your activity for today. Okay, so please finish level 6. Level 7 is up to you, but your activity for today will be level 6 only. Okay? Okay, I'll give you time to do it. Okay, one student got it right already. That's Chuek. How about here? Among the online students, did someone get it? Okay, no one yet from the online students. Okay, you still have time. Okay, students, I will give you clue for, please wait, please wait. For this one, all you need to do is to copy and paste the code. So you will add 3 circles. So you will just copy and paste the code for those 3 circles here that are given already. And then you will just need to change the value of something as well as the color. Of course, you cannot repeat red, orange, and yellow. You need to use other colors, okay? Okay, Chompu got it right also, students. Very good. How about online? Kauot, JJ, Obama, Anda.
Yes,
Did you do it?
finish.
Okay, so please share it
Yes.
to my line. Kauot. Okay, click on share and then show advanced options, embed, hide ability to view code, and then send the code to our line group. Okay? For those who are done.
Okay.
Who else is done? Level 7 is up to you, but our activity is just level 6. If you want to do level 7, then that would be up to you. Kauot, what did you do?
What question you ask me?
What
Please
did you do
again.
here?
I copy the
Okay, you
I
copy the
copy
code.
the box
Okay, and
and
then
change the color and change some number.
what did you change? What value did you change here? The first one, the second, the random, or the last two?
The first one and the last
Okay, the first
last
one.
two.
Okay, okay. Okay, I'm looking forward to seeing your output later. So please send your work to our line. Okay. Okay, again, online, this will be your homework, okay? If you are not yet done, so this will be your homework. Level 6 only, lesson 4, level 6, okay? Please share the link to our line group so that I can give you points. Do you understand? Online? Online. Do you understand?
Yes.
Okay, so that is all for today. We don't have enough time, so I have to end this class. Okay, I will see you again next week, students. Goodbye, everyone. Stay safe and have a nice day. Bye.